Hello, and welcome to Naxi Academy. Let's learn how to create and send a SMS broadcast on Naxi. First, log in into your account. You will see SMS broadcast on your Get Started dashboard. But you can also access it through the menu on the left. You will see SMS, click on it, and then on SMS broadcast. Start by selecting your recipient source. You have two options, either from using contact or by uploading a file. We'll get back to this later. Let's explore option 1, using contacts. First, give your broadcast a clear name so it's easy to manage later. For example, Black Friday 2025. Next, choose your sender service. Use the marketing sender if your campaign is promotional. Then select your segments you want to send the message to in the drop-down list. Here, I will choose loyalty members. Here, there is a checkbox you can tick if you want to send the campaign to contacts who have unsubscribed. Now, compose your message. Right here, you have the personalization menu that enables you to use liquid syntax for dynamic content. For example, here, I choose to use the variable contact.firstname, which will be replaced by the name of each recipient in the final message. Once your message is written, you can save it as a template to reuse it. Just click on Template, save, and give it a name. Here I named it Black Friday Promo, so that I can find it easily next year. Below the message box, you will see a character coder. The system automatically estimates your message length and number of SMS parts. On the right side of the screen, you will see a live preview that shows the recipient phone number, the sender, and the messages with personalization. Let's move on to the advanced options. Here's the calendar feature where you can set the hours during which your messages will be sent. For example, working hours only. Just below, you can limit the number of SMS parts to control message length and cost. You can spread message delivery over up to 24 hours. This means your message will be sent progressively during the time you choose. That's useful when your message invites people to contact the call center. Here you have the validity period, which means that the operators won't attempt to deliver your messages after this period of time. By default, the period is set to maximum 3 days, but you can set a custom validity period to stop delivery after a specific time. Note that this isn't supported by all carriers. Once everything looks good, it's time to send your broadcast. If you're not done yet, you can still click on Save. You can also send a test message to a test contact to check the content and formatting. Click on the arrow and then on Send Test SMS. Select a phone number from your contacts and click on Test. If you want, you can also schedule your broadcast for later. Click on Send Later, choose a date and a specific time. You can also set your time zone and click on Schedule. If you want to send your broadcast now, just click on Send Now. Check your settings again and click on Send. And that's it, you just sent your first broadcast. Congrats. Now let's explore the second option, sending a broadcast by importing a CSV file. Let's go back to the main screen. Click on Uploading a file. Give it a name, for example here, Winter Collection 2025. And choose your sender as you did for the first option. Here is where the difference is. For the recipients, click on Upload and browse or drop your CSV file. Make sure it includes a column with phone numbers and meets the required format. Select the column containing the mobile phone numbers and click OK. Compose your message. In the personalization menu, you will find the variable based on the columns in your CSV file. As you can see on the right preview, the names are correctly inserted. Let's see the advanced options. These are quite the same, except that you can allow duplicates. This means if a number appears more than once, the SMS will be sent multiple times. You can now send it now or later. Check your settings again and click on Send. Now that you're ready to create and send an SMS broadcast, let's take a look at the metrics. From the SMS broadcast overview, you can click on the reporting icon to open the analytics. If the broadcast is still running, you can cancel, pause, or resume it from here. You'll also have a refresh button to refresh your analytics if your broadcast is still running. You'll see 3 charts showing the main percentages of delivered, failed, and pending messages. Below, a table displays the full list of messages along with their delivery status and other details. And if you want to see more details, you can review message-level information. Simply click on the row you want to access the full deliverability view for that specific message. You'll see all the information with the content of the message right here and the detailed activity timing below. You can also find this information in Activity, where you will find the list of messages and all the details regarding the deliverability of the message. As you can see on the right panel right here, you've got all the same information. And that's it. You know everything about SMS broadcast. See you next time to learn more about Naxi, your next communication platform.